What's up, everyone? 7-Star Mike here for the new Trade Talk Media, and I've got something really special coming up for you next week. Hit that subscribe and notification button so you get that message when we go live right here on Trade Talk Media. But for today, I've got something special for you. I want to show you how to combine technical analysis with these alerts that we're getting to form an actionable plan on today's edition of WTF. Watch the flow. Okay, so today we're looking at Apple AAPL. This is a daily chart. Why do I have the daily chart up? Look at this. We have resistance here, and then we plummet. We started gaining that all back. And then today we were just under that level when we opened. We punched through it. Let's look at the 1-minute chart. Here's what I love about this. We had a nice pop above that level, but we couldn't hold it. We didn't drop too far. The second time we popped above that level, we came back to test it. It held as support. You could have got an entry right there and rode it up the rest of the day. So what is this green line? Let's zoom in a little bit. This green line is where the alert came out. So we had a nice green candle to open the day. Then we had a little bit of pullback for 2 minutes. And then boom, we started taking off. The alert came in right here. So here's one of the things you can do, right? Let's go ahead and do this. Let's put a line at the top of that candle right there. Let's say that alert came out and then you started looking at the chart and then it's running and you're like, whoa, I missed it. I can't get in at this point. I'm chasing. Look what happens. We topped off. We gave it back. Where did we stop? Right at that same level where the alert came out. We hit it once, we hit it twice, and we bounced. So if you thought you were chasing by getting in somewhere up here, hang out for a bit, see if it pulls back. I frequently say in those classes, watch for a pullback if you feel like you missed it. That's exactly what we got here. It pulled back to the same point of that alert. What alert am I talking about? Let's take a look at this. Apple, 6:36 in the morning. I am on the West Coast, so that is 9:36 East Coast time. We got an alert at $1.50, 6 minutes into the opening bell. It hit a high of 673. That is a 347% maximum gain. Boom, Apple. Let's go back to that chart there. Here's what we got, right? That's the alert. It took off without us. It pulled back to that same spot. And let's zoom out. That's where it pulled back. If you got in there, it just ran the rest of the day. That's today's edition of WTF. Watch the flow for Apple.